Hey there, folks! Welcome to the future of AI. Remember those robot butlers we always wanted? The ones from sci-fi movies? Well, we're getting close. Meet ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that's about to be your new best friend, or at least your new favorite assistant. Okay, maybe not your best friend, but this thing is crazy cool. It's like having a genius in your pocket. It's like texting with a super smart computer that never sleeps, always ready to help you out. Think of it as having a million encyclopedias in your pocket, but way more fun to talk to. It's like a library that talks back. Imagine this, you need a recipe for banana bread. Ask ChatGPT. It's like having a personal chef on standby. Want a poem about a cat wearing a tiny hat? Done. ChatGPT's got your back with creativity to spare. It can even help you write a killer email to your boss, making sure you sound professional and polished. Or settle a bet with your buddy. No more endless debates. This ain't no ordinary chatbot, folks. It's got some serious capabilities. It's built with some serious brain power, thanks to advanced machine learning. It's like it's read every book ever written, watched every movie, and learned how to talk like us cool cats. It's a true knowledge powerhouse. Now you might be thinking, Jimmy, this sounds too good to be true. How can it be so smart? And you know what? You're right to be skeptical. It's natural to question new technology. But trust me on this one, give it a try and you'll see the magic. ChatGPT is the real deal. It's here to make your life easier and a lot more fun. Now, before you go asking ChatGPT to write your next stand-up routine, though hey, it could probably handle that too, let's talk about how to get the best out of it. There's a trick to getting the best answers from ChatGPT, and it all starts with how you frame your questions. It's all about asking the right questions. The more precise you are, the better the response you'll get. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is a genius, but even geniuses need clear instructions to perform at their best. Instead of saying, tell me about space, try something like, what are the 5 most interesting facts about Mars? See the difference? It's all in the details. The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT can understand what you're looking for. Specificity is key. Don't be afraid to get specific. The more details you provide, the more tailored the response will be. Want ChatGPT to write you a song? It can do that too. Tell it what genre, what mood you're going for, and maybe even throw in some rhyming words for good measure. The more context, the better. The more information you give it, the more impressive the results. So, go ahead, ask away, and see the magic unfold. Okay, now for the fun stuff, the wacky creative side of ChatGPT. This is where the magic truly happens. This thing is like a writer on demand, ready to craft stories, poems, and more at a moment's notice. Need a poem about a squirrel who thinks he's Elvis? No problem. ChatGPT can whip that up in seconds. How about a screenplay for a romantic comedy set in a laundromat? Coming right up. It can create characters, dialogue, and plot twists. ChatGPT can even help you brainstorm ideas for your next big project, whether it's a novel, a business plan, or a school assignment. Stuck on a work presentation? Ask ChatGPT to help you come up with a catchy title and some bullet points. It's like having a personal assistant. Writing a song but can't find the right words? ChatGPT can be your co-writer, helping you find the perfect lyrics. Don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild. ChatGPT is here to support your wildest ideas. The beauty of ChatGPT is that there are no bad ideas. Every thought can lead to something amazing. You can ask it anything and it'll always come back with something interesting. The possibilities are endless. Who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent for writing limericks about penguins. The creative potential is limitless. Section 4. Life hacks, emails, math, and ChatGPT to the rescue. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT isn't just for fun and games, though it's great for that too. It can also be a lifesaver when it comes to those everyday tasks we all dread. Take emails, for example. We all have that one friend who sends novels disguised as emails. Well, next time you're staring down a wall of text, just paste it into ChatGPT and ask for a summary. And for all you math phobes out there, no judgment, I'm right there with you. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Need to calculate a tip? Done. Have to figure out percentages for a sale? Easy peasy. ChatGPT can handle all the number crunching while you sit back and relax. Section 5, ChatGPT, the do's, the don'ts, and the oh no you didn'ts. Now before we wrap things up, a word of caution. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's important to use it responsibly. Here's a quick rundown of the do's and don'ts. Do be clear and specific with your questions. Use it for creative brainstorming and fun projects. Double-check any information it provides, especially for important matters. Don't rely on it for medical, legal, or other professional advice. Ask it to generate harmful or offensive content. Treat it as a substitute for human interaction and real-world experiences. Remember folks, ChatGPT is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. Let's all do our part to keep things fun, safe, and responsible.